And we have here the example, itma'anna comes in the Quran, ishma'azza comes in the Quran, iksha'arra comes in the Quran. They got beautiful meanings, brothers and sisters. If lala, what are the examples? Ihranjama. Okay, we go to the first bab, brothers and sisters. Tara'ara, do you know the meaning of tara'ara? To grow up. Huh? And what is the meaning of tamadmada? To gargle with water. Huh? Tadahraja, the meaning is, brothers and sisters, to roll. Huh? Now we come to itma'anna, to be reassured. To be reassured. Huh? To feel peaceful and tranquil. Ishma'azza, to feel disgusted. What is the meaning of ishma'azza? To feel disgusted. You don't like something, you detest. Okay? And sha'arra is to tremble, to shiver, to tremble. Third one, brothers and sisters, if lala. If lala. Ihranjama. What is the meaning of ihranjama? Please write it. Tajamma. What is the meaning of ihranjama? It gathered. Huh? It gathered. Huh? Something, some people or something gathered. Huh? Ihranjama. And then, what is the next one, brother? If ran. What is the meaning of ifran kaha? Tafarraka, to disperse. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now when we study that dars, you will be watching for Madi, Mudariya, Amar, Mastar. Okay. And if there is a ism file, we'll be looking for it. Number 3, brothers and sisters. Ta'ammalil amthilata thum akmalil nakis. Ta'ammalil amthilata thum akmalin nakis. Al-Madi, Mudariya, Mastar. Tarjama, yutarjimu. And what is the mastar? Tarjamatun. See, in Urdu, you always hear this tarjama. So you are not saying ta marbuta, you are only saying ha. Tarjama. But it is actually tarjamatun. Tarjamatun. Huh? Brothers and sisters, what will be the ism file? Mutarjimu. What is it? Mutarjimu. We know it. Huh? We are strong, alhamdulillah. Huh? Translator. What will be the thing translated? Mutarjama. Just changing the ain kalima. Mutarjama. Okay? Mutarjama. In this case, it is not the ain kalima because it is fa'alala. So it is there are 4 radicals. You are changing the 3rd radical here. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. You'll keep this in mind. It's not difficult. In fact, it's very simple. The only thing required is that you got to do it few times. You conjugate few times and you'll be strong, inshallah. Ba'asara, to scatter. Yuba'asiru. And then ba'asaratun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Ba'asara. He scattered. Make it majhul. Ba'asiru. What is it? What will be the majhul, brothers and sisters? What is the majhul of ba'asara? Remember this verse? أَفَلَا يَعْلَمُ إِذَا بُؤْثِرَ مَا فِي الْقُبُورِ إِذَا بُؤْثِرَ مَا فِي الْقُبُورِ. Brothers and sisters, so, brothers and sisters, what is Sera? Fi'lun Ma'adin lil Majhul. Are you with me? When it is Majhul, what do you look at it? Naib file. Where is the naib file? Ma. Ma is your naib file. Got the idea? This is Ma al-Mawsula is your naib file. And Fil Kubur, Jar Majrur, Silatul Mawsul. Are you with me? Silatul Mawsul. Very good. Keep that in mind because we are going to get these verbs which are very familiar to us, but we never knew what they are. Now, inshallah, we are learning. Okay, brother. Harwala, to jog or to walk very fast. You harwilu and then harwalatun. Zalzala. Yuzalzilu. Zalzalatun. Brothers and sisters, Zalzalatun is the masdar. And what is the pattern of Zalzalatun? Fa'alalatun. What is it? Fa'alalatun. There is another pattern of masdar. Fi'lalun. Fi'lalun. Do you know the ayah? Iza zulzila til ardu zilzalaha. Are you with me? Iza zulzilatil ardu zilzalaha. So what is the zilzala? Masdar. So write down here also zilzalun. What is the pattern? Fi'lalun. Fi'lalun. But the first pattern of masdar, fa'alalatun, is very common. Very common. And sometimes you will see masdar on the pattern of fi'lalun also. So brothers and sisters, if I write down the ayah, Iza Can you analyze? Of course, Iza is a ismu shart, gairu jazmin. When we study the surah, brothers and sisters, we can find out the jawabu shart. Right now, Iza is a ismu shart, gairu jazmin. Okay, fine. What is zulzala? Fi'lun ma'adin lil majhul, mabniun ala fatah. What is this ta doing here? Ta'utanisi. What does it signify? That the naib file, because this is majhul, so it has to be naib file. Naib file has to be a muannas.